Hello students, I am Pratibha, your moral science teacher. Today we are going to learn chapter 3 of your book God is Love. In this chapter we will learn how can we express our love towards God. Shall we begin? There was an old cobbler named Kailash. There was a cobbler whose name is Kailash. Students, you know who is cobbler? Cobbler is a person who mends shoes. He was very good man. He used to work very hard at the daytime to learn his livelihood, and at the night he used to pray and read the holy scriptures or books. He often thought God has been good to him and he wished that he would come to his poor house. One night in his sleep he heard a voice saying, Kailash, you are a good man. You want me to come to your house? Look out of your window and you will see me. Now Kailash woke up and he was confused that he was called by someone or it was just his dream. Next day Kailash kept looking out of the window. He could not see anybody coming to his house, but he was eagerly waiting for the god, but no one is there. In the afternoon he saw an old man sweeping the road. Kailash called him. You know, dear student, he was a very good man, right? So he called that old man inside his house and gave him some hot tea to drink. Kailash helped everyone around him. He was a very good man. After some time, that old man left his house. And Kailash again sat near the window. He was eagerly waiting for God. And after some time, he saw a woman. She was a beggar and her baby was crying in her lap. Kailash took pity on her and called her inside. He gave some old clothes to the woman and milk for baby. The woman was filled with happiness and he blessed Kailash many times for his genuineness and care for her. It was evening, but there was no sign of God. Kailash was waiting. Suddenly he heard a voice of a woman who was shouting at a boy because that boy tried to steal bananas from her basket. He rushed outside to rescue the boy as the woman was beating the boy. Kailash paid for the bananas and asked woman to forgive the boy and asked that boy to feel sorry for his act and never repeat this mistake again in his life and help women to carry his basket. Night came, but still there was no sign of God. God is nowhere. Kailash sat down for prayer and he was feeling very tired. Suddenly from a corner he again heard his name. Somebody called his name. Kailash, you did not recognize me? Kailash was amazed and he was looking here and there in the dark, but he could not see anything. He even asked question from that voice, who are you? Suddenly there was a light in the room. And you know what happened? God himself was standing in front of Kailash. He said that he came to his house, he treated him with tea, gave him some clothes and money, and rescued him from the old woman. Kailash felt very happy and he was amazed that those who he helped were gods in different forms. He was very happy because now he knew that God had visited him thrice in that day. You know, dear students, God always lives near us. Each person is an image of God. We are all children of God. Dear children, how can we say that we love God whom we cannot see if we do not love our neighbors whom we see every day? Dear children, we all are God's children and He is our Father. He loves us very much and He also wants that we also love each other. God wants us to spread the message of love and He wants that we love His creation. We must love others as much as ourselves. Dear children, the type of behavior we expect from others, we should behave in that same manner. What we expect from others, children? We expect that everyone should love us, everyone should respect us, so we should behave accordingly. This is how God wants all humans to be. Dear children, let us read words of wisdom together. God is always present in the places where human beings love each other. Dear children, we all are God's children and He wants that His children live happily, and He is always there where there is love. And if we want that God lives with us, then we have to spread the message of love. If we love each other, do good things, then God is always with us. He always protects us. We should help each other and live happily. Dear student, the chapter is over. I hope you all understand it very well. Thank you and have a nice day.